Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health's YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about all the details related to Star Comprehensive Insurance Policy. We'll discuss the overview of the plan, the different features it offers, different coverages and even a few exclusions as well. In this video, I'm gonna make you understand about this policy in the most simplest manner possible. So without further ado, let's get started. Star Health Comprehensive Plan. The term comprehensive signifies a wide-ranging scope that covers a broad array of situations or needs. In the context of this insurance plan, it means that the policy provides coverage for a wide variety of medical expenses. So let's start with a small overview of the policy. First, let's take a look at the eligibility criteria of this plan. For adults, if you are anywhere between 18 to 65, you are eligible to buy the policy. Dependent children from the age of 3 months to 25 years are also eligible for this policy. Also, the policy can be renewed for life, ensuring continuous coverage. Continuing with the previous point, this can be used as individual and floater. Now, what is the word floater here? Floater refers to family floater, which means that it covers all the insured members of a family under a single sum insured. We'll get to know about sum insured in the coming part of the video. This policy also offers mid-term inclusion, which means that during the policy period, if you get married or if you're blessed with a baby, then you can seamlessly add the new member in the policy. Now, let's understand sum insured. Sum insured refers to the maximum amount that an insurance company will pay to cover the policyholder's medical expenses during the policy term. Comprehensive plan offers flexible coverage amounts ranging from 5 lakhs to 1 crore. Next, let's check the tenure for this policy. It defines the period during which the insured is covered under the policy. The tenure options typically includes 1, 2 and 3 years policy. The policy must be renewed at the end of the chosen tenure to continue receiving benefits. There is no pre-medical checkup required for this policy, but you would have to disclose any pre-existing medical diseases. In this policy, there is no co-payment involved also. Whatever the claim amount is, Star is liable to pay it. However, there is a 10% co-payment required for policyholders who are above 61 years of age at the time of purchase. This means for any claim, the insured individual above 61 must pay 10% of the total eligible claim amount, while Star covers the remaining 90%. Now we have talked about the eligibility, so let's understand the coverages. First, talking about the room rent. For this policy, you get a single bed private AC room. Considering the inpatient hospitalization, which is if you get admitted to a hospital, then whatever the costs are, considering consultation charges, surgeon, medicines and other charges as well, it all gets covered within the policy. Other expenses like anesthesia, blood, OT charges, all are covered within this policy. In a comprehensive plan, you are eligible for coverage charges up to 60 days before the date of hospitalization and 90 days after the discharge from hospital. Coming to OPD coverage, this plan also offers outpatient consultation coverage, which is basically your doctor's consultation and medical expenses. This plan comes up with some sublimits, and these are yearly sublimits. You can see the sublimits on your screen. Per OPD consultations, 300 rupees claim will be provided to you. So accordingly, you can avail the OPD benefits. This plan also provides special benefits for delivery of a newborn baby. Here are the details on your screen. The plan covers the vaccination expenses for the newborn baby as well. The expenses are covered from birth until the end of the policy period. This includes vaccines that are part of the standard immunization schedule recommended for infants. Now let's talk about hospital cash. Hospital cash basically provides a fixed daily allowance to the insured during hospitalization. This benefit is designed to cover incidental expenses that may arise which are not typically covered under regular hospitalization coverage. In this, we have created a few sublimits based on your policy coverage. For example, if you are insured up to 5 lakh, then per day expenses would be 500. Similarly, there are different sublimits provided, like if you are sum insured between 7.5 lakh to 10 lakh, then the per day limit would be 750. And similarly, for anything above 15 lakh, then per day expense would be 1000. You can see the other details on your screen. Same goes for health checkup as well. The plan also provides you to avail the opportunity of annual health checkup. There are various sublimits provided based on your sum insured, which you can check on your screen. This plan also has a feature called automatic restoration of the sum insured. Now, what does that mean? As you can understand by the name, it says automatic restoration of the sum insured. If you use up all your insurance money, that is the sum insured in 1 year due to medical expenses, the plan automatically refills it, giving you a fresh amount to use if you need more treatment later that year. This is super helpful because it means you won't be left without coverage if something else happens after you have already made a big claim. The accidental death and permanent disability coverage in Star Health Comprehensive Plan provides a lump sum payout if the insured person dies or becomes permanently disabled due to an accident. This benefit helps the insured or their family manage financial challenges resulting from such severe incidents, offering financial supports when it's most needed. You can see the policy documents to understand the complete details of this coverage. Now, let's talk about the waiting period. There is a standard waiting period of 30 days from the date of purchasing the policy, during which only accidental claims can be filed. For certain specific diseases which you can see on your screen, claims related to these conditions can be made after 24 months of purchasing the policy. When it comes to pre-existing diseases, those conditions that were disclosed before buying the health insurance, they will be covered after 36 months from the date of purchase. Lastly, for maternity and newborn baby cover, the waiting period is 24 months. In conclusion, we would like to say that this policy is a one-stop solution for you and your family, which includes almost everything from newborn baby cover to accidental death as well. To know more about the policy, please refer to our website and product brochures. Link is in the description below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, comment with any questions, and subscribe to Star Health for more such informative content. Thank you.